Young Rahim was a diligent apprentice, learning carpentry from his kind old master. He quickly developed exceptional skills, crafting beautiful furniture with ease and precision. Soon, Rahim's reputation spread far and wide, and customers queued for his masterpieces. Praise turned his head, he began to boast about his unique talent, dismissing others' work. When his old master offered simple advice, Rahim would often ignore it, believing he knew better. One day, a grand and intricate project arrived, far more complex than anything he had attempted. Despite his skill, Rahim struggled, his pride made it impossible to admit a flaw or seek help. He remembered his master's quiet words about the importance of foundational principles and patience. Humbled, Rahim returned to his master's small workshop, seeking his wisdom and forgiveness. With renewed humility and his master's gentle guidance, he skillfully completed the masterpiece. True greatness lies not in how much you know, but in your willingness to learn and remain humble.
एक नौजवान भूखा लड़का अली गांव के पुरहुजूम बाजार में घूम रहा था, इसका पेट भूख से गिड़गिड़ा रहा था। वो एक बूढ़ी औरत के फलों के स्टॉल के करीब रुका रसीले सेबों और माल्टों को हसरत भरी नजरों से देख रहा था। मेहरबान बूढ़ी औरत ने इसकी हसरत भरी आंखें देखकर एक चमकता सुर्ख सेब उठाया और इसे पेश किया। अली की आंखें हैरत और खुशी से फैल गईं, इसने शुक्रगुजारी से फल लिया और खुशी से एक नवाला खाया। इसने एक दिन इसके एहसान का बदला चुकाने का वादा किया, हालांकि वो बस मुस्कुराई और इसे लुत्फ अंदोज होने को कहा। साल गुजर गए और अली ने अनथक मेहनत की, बिलाखिर वो एक दूर दराज शहर में एक कामयाब ताजिर बन गया। एक दिन वो अपने पुराने गांव वापस आया, मेहरबान बूढ़ी औरत की याद उसके ज़हन में अब भी ताज़ा थी। इसे इसका फलों का स्टॉल खस्ता हाल मिला और बूढ़ी औरत खुद कमज़ोर और बीमार दिखाई दे रही थी। अपना वदा याद करते हुए अली ने इसका स्टॉल ठीक करने में मदद की, इसे नया सामान दिया और उसकी देखभाल का इंतज़ाम किया। इसने कामयाब ताजिर को इस छोटे लड़के के तौर पर पहचाना जिसे इसने कभी खिलाया था, और उनकी आंखें बाहमी शुक्रगुजारी और एहतराम से मिले। एहसान का एक छोटा सा अमल एक देरपा तासुर छोड़ सकता है, और हकीकी शुक्रगुजारी इसे चुकाने का रास्ता ढूंढ लेती है, चाहे कितना ही वक्त गुजर जाए।
Adil was a lively young boy who loved playing cricket in his village. His elderly neighbor, Dada John, often sat quietly on his porch, observing the world. Adil, in his youthful energy, sometimes ignored Dada John or chuckled at his slow pace. One hot afternoon, Adil hit his cricket ball too hard, and it got stuck high up in a tall mango tree. He tried jumping, climbing a bit, and even throwing stones, but the ball wouldn't budge. Dada John, who had been quietly watching from his porch, saw Adil's growing frustration. Slowly, Dada John walked towards Adil and gently suggested, "Try using a long stick, my boy." Adil paused, recalling his past dismissive behavior, but his desire for the ball was stronger. Following Dada John's advice, Adil found a long stick and easily dislodged the ball with a gentle poke. Adil's face lit up, and he humbly thanked Dada John, truly understanding the wisdom elders possess. Respecting elders is not just a tradition, it's recognizing the treasure of their experience and wisdom that can guide us.